Honey. Honey. Bala.
Oh boy, oh boy! I think I know what I have in your pot step.
We're scary monsters.
We're not scary.
We're not scary.
I don't understand.
Oh no! I've got cephalorosis! Help!
What was that? Oh. Sounds sometimes at night are kind of scary.
Oh, did you hear? Oh my! Oh, it got me!
There's no dog, that was me!
That's not funny, Luzzy. It's not funny.
Okay, that does it. That does it. I've just about had it, Ernie.
Oops, sorry. Like I was totally just tuning up my heart.
Why would you do that? Just say we're sorry! Hey, what do you know? He's the first to fall out. I'll be next.
I'm next.
Well, I'm last.